Hello traders, welcome to another episode. Today I'm going to show you how you can withdraw money from your Binance account to your bank account or to your mobile money account in case you are in a country that supports mobile money services. So what you know is in order to withdraw money from your Binance, your funds there must be in your spot wallet, right? You must transfer them from your funding wallet to a spot wallet, right? So in order to withdraw them very well, and we're gonna use what we call P2P method. I'm gonna show you how you can use P2P method actually to withdraw your money from Binance to your bank account. You just come to your upper right hand corner, right? It is a left hand corner, right? Upper left hand corner here, and tap on this Binance icon, right? And after that here, they will show you like different what icons here, and now what we want to go to is P2P, right? Because now we want to use P2P to withdraw money to our bank account. So here you just tap on your P2P, right? So if you reach there, here you must actually come and here you can filter to the currency you wanna withdraw money with, right? So here it depends the country you're coming from. If you're from Nigeria, you can use Naira, like USD. If you're from any country that supports USD, or you can also use USD here, right? You just come here in the upper right hand corner, you'll see that icon for changing the currency, right? You want to withdraw money from, right? Or you want to withdraw money in, right? So here you will see that I've opened my P2P and I've found very many people here who are buying and selling. So on our P2P here dashboard, we're having a buy and a sell, right? So remember, you want to sell your USD for cash, okay? So now here you must come here to the sell, right? Because you're selling your USD for cash, right? So in here you just come to any person. For example, let me change to my, so now here you just come, remember I've told you you're selling USD for cash, right? So now you come here to sell, okay? And if you come here to sell, you'll see there are very many merchants here who are selling. So now here you will see that you can select any person like who is having like a compression rate of like a good compression rate is actually around 90 to 100. So you can select any person here, so for example. And also here down there is here down there is a limit, right? Every person or every merchant is having a limit. For example, you might be selling, you might be like you wanna get like $100, okay? So that person might be having a limit of $100 to $1K, okay? So here you just sell to a person who is in your limit, right? So here I just come to any person. For example, here I'm showing you, and also you must also look at the preferred method that person is using, okay? So if you wanna use any bank account, right? So you can just come here. If you wanna use like any bank account to receive money to, you just come and filter here. Just come here on payment, right? So here, if you come on payment here, you just filter to any bank account you want to use. If you're using mobile money here, you can select either MTN mobile money, cheaper cash, Airtel, bank account, or bank transfer. So there are several banks here that have been displayed. You can just choose any you want to receive money to. For example, if I want to receive money to my cheaper cash account here, I just confirm. And if I confirm, they'll bring me like those merchants that are using that account that I wanna use like receive money to, okay? Hope you're getting it, guys. So if you choose that here, also you look at the limit that person is offering, right? So you can see this person. So after that, you just tap on that person, and after tapping on that person, you just come here and tap on the payment method you wanna use. For example, I want to use my cheaper cash, right? So after that here, you put amount either by fiat or by crypto, right? So you can put by crypto that I just want $100, right? So after putting that, okay, you just come, after also selecting your payment method, you just come to sell, right? If you tap on sell here, that person will be notified. He or she will send you money and you'll be able to raise crypto, right? So that's the better way you can actually receive money to your bank account from your Binance, right? So I'll make video to show you the full process till I do receive money like from this merchant. So for today, let's just stop there. Thank you for watching. This is Jimmy. Stay safe and goodbye, guys.